Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can see your listings on Facebook Marketplace. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Facebook app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, tap on the Marketplace icon at the bottom of the screen, and all of the things that are available for sale will be displayed. Simply tap on the person icon at the top right corner and a bunch of options will be displayed. Tap on the Your Listings feature under the Selling header and all of your listings will be displayed. This is where you can view and manage all the items you have listed for sale on Facebook Marketplace. You can see the status of your listings, edit them, or even delete them if needed. So that's basically how you can see your listings on Facebook Marketplace. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.